If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. And right, so we have some small drops to the downside. Yes, I said small drop. This is not a very big drop for Bitcoin to start a downtrend all of a sudden. This is more like a correction to the downside, but damn, it actually moved up and we saw a closing near $24,000 for the weekly yesterday. So what I want to do is actually talk about the Monday, because this is the new week opening up. So there we go. All right, so Monday is upon us and we have short green candles. So basically short green candles, I mean by that, you have the first green candle, which is bigger, and you have this second green candle, which reduced in size, and this one also reduced in size. I don't find this to be very comfortable, to be honest with you. That's not a proper three white soldiers, but the volume is decent actually. If you look at the volume, even the smallest candle almost has an equal amount of volume compared to the first candle. The volume is okay, the patterns are pretty much okay. I still don't see anything bad with it. There's no any resistance up here just yet for me to even say that we're looking bad. And the week just started, okay? If someone tells you that this is a bearish pattern forming up, it's not even confirmed. We have 6 more days, a long time to go before we actually close this candlestick, and then we get to know what exactly that really was. But one thing I just want to mention very quickly is that Bitcoin is still okay as far as we're not below this line here. This line down at 20,300 something, this is a place where we don't see Bitcoin come down to. Now, however, what happens here still remains a mystery. On the daily, you can actually make a red candle, make a doji tomorrow again, and then try to move to the upside. That's something I'm looking forward to, but we can already see that maybe this is a little bit of that resistance that you broke out of, and all you did is you're breaking out of it and back testing things today. And you can even say that we're looking for a technical target to move from there to there, and we could actually be on the verge of still coming up to 25,657, which has been a target for a long time now. Now, however, before we even come down to 20,258, we had this pattern right here as a bull flag, right? So that was your bull flag. And as far as I remember telling you that if you want to invalidate the bull flag, come down and take the lowest part of that bull flag and it's going to be invalidated, right? So you do have another pattern. Similarly, you have this pattern right here and coming down to 22,082. Now, this is a place where, again, the first level you don't want to lose is 22271, okay? If you do come down there, yeah, it's going to be an alarming situation. As long as you're above this area, as long as you're above 22,271, I think we're okay. We're pretty safe. Nothing is wrong with this, okay? So that's pretty much it for the update right now. Let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.